You're welcome to my channel. Question 6 is on inequality. Inequality. So we have to solve this question. This is very simple. So, but the first thing we need to do is we need to eliminate the denominator. Here we have 1/3. Here we have 1/2 and 1/6. We need to eliminate the fraction. And what's the SCM of 3, 2, and 6? The SCM is 6. So to eliminate this fraction, we have to multiply each terms with the LCM, which is 6. So this will be 6 times 1/3, open bracket, k minus 4, minus 6 times 1/2, open bracket, k plus 1, is less than 6 times 1/6. So 3 here 1, 3 here is 2, 2 here 1, 2 here is 3. So 6 cancel 6. You are left with 6 here 1, 6 here 1. So you are left with 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So you are left with 2 open bracket, k minus 4. 3 times 1 is 3. So you are left with minus 3 open bracket, k plus 1 is less than 1 times 1 is 1. So let's expand. Open the bracket. 2 times k is 2k minus 8. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8 minus 3k minus 3 is less than 1. Collecting like times. So we have 2k minus 3k minus 8 minus 3 is less than 1. This is minus k minus 11 is less than 1. So we transfer this minus 11 to the other side. So we have minus k is equals to minus k is less than 1 plus 11. So if negative is coming to this side, change to positive. So minus k is less than 12. So we need to divide both sides by the negatives minus 1. So divide both sides by minus 1, divide both sides by minus 1. Minus to cancel minus 1, minus to cancel minus here. So our k is, so whenever you're dividing both sides by a negative number in linear inequality, you reverse the inequality. So this inequality will reverse. We are going to have it as k is greater than minus 12. So let's check the option and tick out the correct answer. So I think option C is the correct answer. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Bye.